Let's start. Let's start.
Thank you so much for joining me today, Shino.
Okay.
It's my
Yeah.
pleasure that you
Yeah.
accepted my invitation, and I really admire your work. As
Okay.
I told you, I saw the poster and the trailer which you have put on YouTube. It's really what should I say? As I told you, it's very captivating. The film, I'm really looking forward for the film. Uh,
Sure. 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 Actually, this is a great opportunity and a great initiative for us because, like, we ourselves are like a crowdfunding platform. Prana
right.
is a crowdfunding platform, and something like a live session during this lockdown. It's a great initiative from your side, and also understanding that it's a documentary and supporting us is a
Ah.
great initiative. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay, just a question. Do you speak Hindi?
Actually, thoda thoda, but my Hindi is very bad. I'm telling it's very bad.
Okay, okay.
But I can understand. I
You
can
can understand.
understand.
Okay.
Yeah. Till my seventh, eighth grade, I read
You have
Hindi.
studied.
Then yeah, I've studied Hindi, but it didn't work out for me, so I had to, But I can understand. Yeah.
Great, great, great. Okay.
Yeah.
So our conversation will be very casual, right?
Sure.
Although
Sure.
I have
Sure.
jotted down a few questions just to stick to the point, but
Okay.
we'll just go with the flow.
Sure. Sure. Sure.
So here I would like to read a few lines which you have written for to describe your film, which I found
Okay.
really very interesting. The life
Okay.
infusing substratum is found in its pursuit form on the mountain. What our real self and how connected we are to Mother Earth unveils prana. The river
Yes.
knows where the drought is, the fish knows where the food is, fishermen know where the river and fish is, but when men argue, nature acts.
Yes.
So, these are really very powerful words. Uh,
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
so, what is prana?
So, okay, Prana is a documentary film. It's about the core people who are living in Western Ghats. Let's say tribals and non-tribals as well. But it deals with the core people who are living one with nature. So in Prana, like we have touched many segments. There are many segments in Prana. We have touched the art form. We have touched the dance form, the living conditions of people, their food habits, uh, how they are rooted to nature, and as monsoons changes, how they find their food in nature, and also like it's about the humans who are the living within forest, within those mountain region, and it's about their philosophy of life, how they deal with nature, things like that.
Right,
So
right.
that's Prana. Yeah.
Great. So, your topic also has a great relevance today because we are celebrating World Environment Day today, and you have made
Yeah.
a film
Yeah.
which is very close to the nature. So,
Yeah.
appreciable.
Thank
Um,
you. Thank you. Because nature is everything. We are like right now we are going far away from nature, so we
True,
just thought we could make something about nature.
true, 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 true. So, how did the idea of prana germinated? And okay, first tell me this. So, how did you
Okay.
find this idea?
Okay. 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 The idea, uh, it was like basically we are film institute students. We are from Cochin. Like we got out of institute and we were like a group of team. We wanted to do something creative, like all the other people. We thought that films is not only for not only the cinema, not only it is a storytelling medium basically.
True,
So storytelling medium can be in any form, like let's say an image, a painting, or we can say like a visual, a sound medium. Through any medium, you can communicate your story. So
right.
the idea actually generated when the group of people, one our institute staff is there. His name is Amal Tambi. So
Okay.
he asked me a question like, do you like sea or do you like forest?
Hmm.
I told him that, sir, I'm a person who's living nearby the coastal area. So I
Okay.
like sea. Sea is my, because I go there, I find solitude in sea. So sea is my person of interest is sea. So he told me that you have to explore forest. Forest gives us so much. So go explore it, he told me. So this question was there inside my head.
Hmm.
and myself and my co-director Vipin. Vipin is a co-director of this film,
Okay.
and we started texting. Started texting, and we started discussing about filmmaking and the forest. We wanted to make something that is very earthy, which is very which has those smell of earth, which is like very close to nature.
Hmm.
So I saw this documentary film named Humans.
Okay.
Humans, like, it really affected me. And when I discussed with Vipin, we had the similar thoughts and ideas basically, because we both wanted to make something out of the box.
Hmm.
So we went to Marayur. We went to Marayur with just a single camera in hand,
Okay.
and eventually, like, we thought we'll do something. Like, let's do something. Let's do something. Not like let's click images. Let's travel. Let's talk with people, because we learned something from them. So we
Right.
went. We had to climb a very big mountain there, and we reached the tribal area, and they rejected us. They told us that outsiders aren't allowed. So they asked us to come the next day, and the next day a festival was happening. By our luck, a festival was happening,
Okay.
and we got up early morning 4 o'clock, and we went there again.
Hmm.
We traveled the whole mountain. We went there again with just a single camera in hand. We told them that we just want to take some stills or videos, whatever it is. So they invited us. We were their guest. We were just for one day. We were a part of their festival.
Hmm.
So we came to know that they were so close to nature, and they take nature as God. They believe in nature,
Hmm.
and we were a part of that festival. Then after coming from that festival, the whole idea of a documentary generated to Vipin and myself.
Hmm.
So we wanted to do something unique. So we thought of traveling, take this path of documentary.
Hmm.
So that's where it all started. Just a random travel to a place,
Right.
and we got into the idea that we'll start a documentary, and then we started it. It was like out of the blue.
Great, great, great. But this is really very interesting because you said that
Yeah,
you traveled there and you attended the festival there. So you
yeah,
must
yeah,
come across many stories over there, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So you could have also made a fiction film, or maybe some other sort, some other genre you could have, I mean, explored. But then
Yeah.
why did you choose this medium, like this genre, documentary genre?
Okay, okay, that's a great question actually. The first, we wanted to make it as a travelogue, but a documentary film, it's like it has something more serious. Something like the subject became a little bit serious, and we wanted to showcase our subject through a documentary film, because Vipin and myself, we personally feel that documentary is a medium less explored,
Hmm.
and also it is like a medium which has more power and more which has more to be explored, because everyone coming out of film institute, they run into the mainstream area, they go make films, they always go make films. Like, okay, filmmaking is always there, I accept,
Hmm.
but apart from filmmaking there is something like this. You have to turn this side and go into the documentary filmmaking, learn, explore.
Hmm.
So that was the whole point of documentary filmmaking.
Okay. Was Vishal in your team? Because he's saying lovely backstory evolution of.
No, actually, Vishal is he's like my brother. He's my mentor to me. So he pushes me to make
Okay.
something. And he's also a traveler. He's a traveler. He has gone to Himalayas, and also he's a traveler.
Great, great, great. Uh,
Yeah.
Shilo, yours is a crowdfunded film. The documentary film
Yeah.
is with the crowdfunding. So, how
Yeah.
difficult it was to stick to the conviction of making the film? Because you see, many a times, we may get disillusioned because we don't have enough funds. So,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
how difficult it was to stick to the conviction of making this?
Okay, that's a like making a film was more difficult actually. But when we got the script idea, when we got a team, when we assembled a team, the project, like, we thought of putting it to a producer. We thought of like uh, going to the online crowdfunding sites and all, but eventually it didn't take place. We spoke with Nat Geo. Nat Geo had this grant session,
Hmm.
and Nat Geo allotted like 10 lakhs for their grants.
Huh.
And again, like, Wishberry is I don't know if you're familiar with Wishberry. Wishberry is a crowdfunding site, and they support like new people.
Okay.
Have you seen this film, Armies in Assamese? Like, recently it got premiered. Armies was a film which was like crowdfunded through Wishberry. We tried pitching our concept to Wishberry, but eventually it didn't take place because our subject wanted to shoot in like particular timing. Like we had to shoot this monsoons, we had to shoot this honey extraction sequences, we had to shoot this food, and like it's like we have to go by this particular time. So we didn't get a proper investor, so we thought of like pitching into a by like we thought of like sending a trailer outside, giving a trailer outside so that people will support us. It was like out of necessity, pure necessity. We didn't have anything else. We gave a trailer and many people supported us. Many people, as in like my colleagues, my weapons colleagues, my teammates colleagues, everyone just they came forward. They said that the trailer is hooking, the trailer is interesting, so what are you going to make? And the fun part was like we have to talk with everyone. We have to tell them that, see, this is what we are going to make. See, this is the whole idea of Pranam. So many people from outside, like Bhunesh, like Robin, Arjun, and many people, like they came forward, they supported us. They said like, okay, do something, let it be if it is your passion, just do it. So the crowdfunding initially it took place, we out of like nowhere it started. So that's the whole point of crowdfunding. We eventually wanted to do something, and we did it actually.
But this is actually really very great. I mean, as I told you, the trailer is really very intriguing. So,
Yeah.
please tell me the story behind it. I mean, the process of making the film. So,
Okay, like one of our friends' place was there at Marayur. The Marayur is the place actually.
okay,
The Marayur is a place like it's like a valley. It's surrounded by mountains. And it's like in Tamil they say Marayur is a place called like it's Maranjirukra Oor. Like Marai means hidden.
hidden. Okay,
Oor means village. It's a hidden village surrounded by mountains.
so can you repeat?
Yeah, okay. Marayur means it's a hidden village surrounded by. No, that's Marayur. That's
Marayur,
Marayur.
okay.
That's a
Got
yeah.
it.
Okay, that's a place.
Yeah.
And the tribal community there living is Muduan community.
Okay.
Okay, it's like they backpack. They take like we backpack. They take their children behind,
Hmm.
and they travel across mountains.
Okay.
And that's the community. So the initially the idea like we sat on the script. We didn't have a script basically, so we wrote what we shouldn't do. We wrote don'ts.
Super. Okay.
Yeah, so don'ts was like there was just three don'ts.
Hmm.
One was like we shouldn't affect any community. By making this documentary, we shouldn't affect any community.
Okay.
Second was like we shouldn't talk ill of government or the social issues,
Right.
because we believe that the government issue fades away. Because if you are doing a documentary related to a government issue or a social issue, it slowly fades away.
Great, sir.
Once it fades away, the documentary is of no use.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, so we wanted to make something like for 20 or 30 years when we look back, it's still valid. The content is valid.
Super.
So that was the second point. And the third point was that it should be related to mountains.
It
So
shouldn't
that's
be.
where this, no, it should be. It should be related to mountains.
Okay. Huh.
Yeah, so that's where the prana came. Prana, it's like group of people living in mountains. It's their story, basically.